Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. CPSP's current council, in consultation with the faculties, is on way to achieve the short-term and long-term goals set to ensure quality training, standardization, and patient care. After implementation of workplace-based assessment workshops for examiners across the country, the faculties are now on revamping of the curriculum and revision and strengthening of MCQs bank and TOEICs. In order to accommodate the FCPS Part 1 awaiting candidates for induction, the training network is being expanded to the divisional and districts level, meeting the standards and criteria of accreditation. With the efforts of Minister for Primary and Secondary Healthcare Punjab Dr. Jamal Nasir, the Honorable Chief Minister Punjab Mr. Mohsin Naqvi, on occasion of 56th convocation in Lahore, announced 5 districts of Punjab as the pilot project, which includes DHQ hospitals of Jhang, Attak, Mianwali, Bhakkar and Mandi Bahauddin. While addressing the graduating fellows, he said,
جہاں تک رہی بات پوسٹ گریجویشن FCPS کی تو انشاءاللہ تعالی 5 شہروں میں اٹک، میاں والی، جھنگ، منڈی بہاؤدین اور بکھر میں ہم شروع کرنے جا رہے ہیں انشاءاللہ. اور میں ڈاکٹر جمال ناصر سے کہوں گا جانے سے پہلے 5 شہر اور ایڈ کر کے جائیں انشاءاللہ تعالی. ڈاکٹر گوندل کوئی شک نہیں کہ از ون آف دا بیسٹ فار دس جاب. اور ان کے باقی سارے کام ایک طرف جو انہوں نے اور ان کی ٹیم نے جو آپ کی ڈگری کو انٹرنیشنلی ریکگنائز کرایا ہے، آئی تھنک ان کا یہ ایک کام ہی پاکستان کے لیے اتنا بڑا کام ہے کہ ہم ان کو ساری زندگی اسی کے لیے شکریہ کرتے رہیں جو کام ہے.
CPSP representatives had meetings with the Ministers for Health for other provinces too in the same context. Professor Dr. Riaz Anwar, Minister for Health KPK, announced the expansion of the training facilities at districts, and in the current week, CPSP team led by Senior Vice President Professor Dr. Muhammad Shoaib Shafi is visiting DHQ hospitals of Hazara, Mansehra and Timargada to see the quality and standards. CPSP fellows at district level are now providing the quality health care and facilitating and supervising the training of younger colleagues. This week, President CPSP Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal was invited by Dr. Kashif Raza Alvi, Dr. Taimur Tarar, Dr. Zafar Iqbal and Dr. Aftab Ranja to witness the healthcare facilities at their centers at Mandi Bahauddin. He chaired the Advanced Laparoscopic and Bariatric Symposium at Alvi Hospital Mandi Bahauddin, and he was very happy to see the quality of training and service delivery by the district surgeons, and he appreciated the contributions of Society of District Surgeons of Pakistan for their role in academic and patient care. The society was represented by office bearers Dr. Mian Waleed Anjum, Dr. Shahriyar Khan Niazi, Dr. Mohsin Mumtaz, Dr. Maila Shehzad along with their colleagues. Dr. Tansir Asghar and Dr. Sana Shaukat specially participated from Islamabad. On this occasion, the President CPSP Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal visited ICU and other departments of Alvi Hospital, Taimur Hospital, Aftab Hospital and Hospital of Dr. Zafar Iqbal, District Mandi Bahauddin. Professor Dr. Khalid Masood Gondal also visited the hospital of his trainee of 2022, Dr. Aftab Ranja, and was very happy to see the facilities being provided to ailing humanity. And it's heartening to mention that proud fellows of CPSP are now providing service to the ailing humanity at all districts across the country. CPSP current council vision is ensuring the quality and standard to provide the specialist services in all disciplines across the country. Thank you.